Hi, it's Miss Hodges. So this morning I'm going to show you guys how I make bacon and cheese egg muffins. It's something that I make for my son. It's super easy, and hopefully you guys can make this with your family sometimes. So first, I've already preheated my oven to 350. I also have greased my sheet pans. I have a 12 pack, but I'm only gonna use about 6. Over here, I have 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, cheese, and the bacon. So first, I'm gonna add my milk to the eggs. And then I'm going to stir. Stir it up really good. Then I also like to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper for taste. If I can open it. And then I'm gonna pour my egg mixture back into this cup. Most people have bigger ones, but I don't. So, pouring the mixture in there, like that. And then I'm gonna pour it into the muffin pan. I'm gonna fill it up halfway until I add the bacon and cheese. Alright. So now I got my bacon and my cheese. I think I'm gonna add the bacon first. Add a few, 3 to 4 pieces per muffin. Now I have to add my cheese, and I use like the Mexican blend. Sorry. Cheese is what makes it the best. And then there you go. If you want to make it like a better mix, you can take a spoon or fork like this and just mix it to mix your ingredients a little bit better. So not everything's on one side when you bite it. Alright, so now I'm gonna put them in the oven. Open up the pan. I'm gonna leave it in there for about 20 minutes and then we'll check on it later. Okay. Alright, so I'm taking out the muffins now. They're pretty hot, so make sure you have one of these. If you're not with an adult, take them out. Wow, those look yummy. Nice and fluffy. And that's it. As you can see, when you take them out the oven, they just kind of start to shrivel. So yeah. That's how they look. Now just take them out. When it cools down, put it on a plate and enjoy. I hope you guys liked it. Have fun making it. Bye.